WASSCE July 2006, question 9C. The set P equals -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 maps onto Q by the function f of x equals x squared minus 2, where x belongs to P. I find the element of Q. I draw a diagram showing the mapping between P and Q. We have a mapping where P is the domain, so the element of P are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And the element of Q are the codomain elements, which we are about to find. So we have the element of Q to be here. And there is a function that is transforming the element of the domain to get the element of the codomain, or the element of P to get the element of Q. And this function is f of x equals x squared minus 2. Now, the question 1 says that find the element of Q. We know that it is this function f of x equals x squared minus 2 that is helping us to transform the element of P to get the element of Q. So we are going to use that function f of x equals x squared minus 2. So we say that when x is equal to -2, because the element of x are the P elements and the element of y is the Q element. So when x is equal to -2, what is going to be its corresponding image in the codomain? So wherever we see x, we substitute the -2. So it's going to be -2 square minus 2. -2 square is +4 minus 2, which we are going to get +2. Now, when x is equal to -1, we have -1 is equal to, now x is -1, so -1 squared is -2 is equal to, so -1 squared is +1 minus 2, which we shall get -1. Okay, let us continue. When x is equal to 0, we are going to get 0 squared minus 2, which is equal to -2. When x is equal to 1, we have f of 1 is equal to, now x is 1, so we have 1 squared minus 2. 1 squared is the same as 1 minus 2, which is equal to -1. Lastly, when x is equal to 2, we have f of 2 is equal to, x is equal to 2, so we have 2 squared minus 2. 2 squared is 4 minus 2, and the final answer is 2. Now, these are the elements of the Q. Now, these are the elements of Q. We have 2, -1, 2, -1, and 2. So let us write the element of Q. So we have 2, -1, we have -2, we have -1 again, and we have 2. But we see there's no need for us to repeat the numbers because we have 2 here and 2 is also there. So there's no need for us to repeat them in the set. -1 is there, -1, 2 is there. So it means that the element of Q, okay, let me write the -1 first. Then I'll come to, okay, -2 first, -2 first. Then I'll come to -1. 2. So this becomes the element of Q. Now the RI says that we should draw a diagram showing the mapping between P and Q. So I'm going to draw the diagram. I have the P element as the domain, and the elements are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now the elements of Q are -2, -1, and +2. So this is the element of Q. Okay, so this is the mapping. The function that transforms the element in P to get Q is f of x equals x squared minus 2. Now let us do the mapping. What is the image of -2? The image of -2 is +2. Is +2. So -2 correspond to +2. So I'll draw the arrow to point -2. What is the image of -1? It is what? -1. The image of -1 is -1. So I'm going to draw an arrow to point the -1. What is the image of 0? It is -2. So 0 will map to -2. What is the image of +1? Which is -1. So +1 to -1. What is the image of +2? Which is +2. So 2 will map to +2. So this becomes the diagram showing the mapping between P and Q. Please, in case you didn't understand, I want you to leave your question in the comment section. I want you to share this video for other people to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.